Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Qlip English, the show that helps you improve your English in a natural and enjoyable way. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Michael. Hi, Olivia. Hi, everyone listening.
Hey, Michael. How's your day going?
It's been really productive, actually. I spent the morning reviewing some interesting language learning research, which is perfect timing because of today's topic.
Oh, that's great. Yes, today we're diving into something that I think many of our listeners struggle with.
Let me guess. Improving your English speaking.
Exactly. Many learners can read and understand English, but when it's time to speak, their mind goes blank, even after years of study. Today, we're going to show you how to improve your English speaking through simple, daily practice and real conversation.
The secret isn't studying more grammar. The secret is building the habit of speaking every day.
Here are 4 practical ways to improve your speaking starting today. First, talk to yourself out loud every day. Describe what you're doing. I'm drinking coffee. The cup is hot. It tastes good. This trains your mouth and your brain.
Second, use the mirror trick. Stand in front of a mirror and speak to yourself. Watch your face and your expression. This builds confidence quickly.
Third, shadow native speakers. Listen to a short conversation and repeat immediately after them. Copy their rhythm and speed. Even 2 minutes a day makes a big difference.
Fourth, build self-discipline with a timer. Set 10 minutes every day. During that time, only speak English. No distractions. This is how real habits are formed.
These techniques are simple, but when you do them consistently, your speaking improves fast. One of my students studied English for years, but rarely spoke. After doing these 10-minute practices daily, her confidence grew dramatically, and she started speaking naturally. Your challenge. For the next 7 days, practice speaking English alone for 10 minutes every day, using any of these techniques. Speak out loud. No correcting yourself. Tell us in the comments, which technique will you start with this week? If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to Qlip English, and share it with a friend who wants to improve their speaking. In the next video, we're going to reveal the 1% native listening secret. This is a very powerful lesson you don't want to miss. Thank you for watching. Stop studying, start speaking. See you in the next one. Bye!